Performance Plus aerosols deliver performance plus efficiency in a simple, portable package. Aerosol technology produces precise amounts of product to an exact area, eliminating waste. Performance Plus offers a number of aerosol cleaners for a wide range of cleaning projects. Glass cleaner. This high-foaming product cleans, brightens, and polishes all glass surfaces. It quickly breaks up soils and leaves no film. Performance Plus glass cleaner dries quickly and requires no rinsing. Stainless steel cleaner. This oil-based product cleans, polishes, and protects metal and stainless steel surfaces. Regular use of Performance Plus stainless steel cleaner can help prolong factory finish of surfaces without leaving an oily residue. Oven and grill cleaner. This heavy-duty formula cuts through heavy grease and baked-on foods and is safe on a number of surfaces, including porcelain and stainless steel. The active ingredients in Performance Plus oven and grill cleaner work deeply into thick grease buildup. Performance Plus aerosol cleaners are spill-proof, easily fit into compact storage areas, and have a long shelf life. The use of aerosol technology helps deliver performance plus efficiency. For more information, visit www.performanceplus-products.com.